Okay, so this will be my second example in evaluating trigonometric functions. Example number 2 says, find the 6 trigonometric functions of angle theta with the given constraints. Letter A, tangent theta equals negative 5 over 4 and cosine theta is greater than 0. When we say cosine theta is greater than 0, it means cosine theta is positive. Letter B, cosecant theta equals 4 and cotangent theta is less than 4. This should be less than 0. Okay, yan. So, we're going to answer letter A. So, ito yung ating constraints, ano? Si tangent theta, negative, 5 over 4. At si theta is positive. Letter A muna tayo. Okay. So, alamin muna natin kung nasang quadrant yung tinutukoy ng value na tangent theta equals negative 5 over 4 using the constraints. So, negative si tangent, si cosine is positive. Kapag negative si tangent, it's either nasa second or fourth quadrant siya. Okay? Kasi si tangent ay negative sa second at fourth quadrant. Si cosine naman ay positive sa first and fourth quadrant. Positive dito si cosine. Dito ay negative si tangent. Now, since nag-intersect yung conditions do sa fourth quadrant, ibig sabihin nito na yung ating terminal side is located dun sa fourth quadrant. Okay? Therefore, the point is located, or the terminal side is located on the fourth quadrant, or angle theta is on the fourth quadrant. Okay? Kasi doon nag-intersect yung conditions natin. Okay? Now, kunin na natin yung other 5 trigonometric functions. So, i-draw muna natin. Nasa fourth quadrant siya. So, ito siya. So, negative 5 over 4. So, opposite side is 5. So, ito negative. Adjacent side ay 4. Yan. Itong ating R. Ito yung ating angle, theta. Okay? Kunin na natin yung other 5 trigonometric functions. Pero isolve muna si R. Okay, solving R. R equals square root of, diretso ko na, 4 squared plus negative 5 squared. R is equal to 16 plus 25, that is square root of 41. Okay, yun ang gagamitin natin. Kunin na natin yung sine theta. Sine theta. Sine is opposite side, negative 5. Oh, that is y over r. So negative 5 over r is square root of 41. And then rationalizing the denominator, that is negative 5 square root of 41 over 41. Next is cosine theta, that is x over r, or that is 4 over square root of 41. Rationalizing the denominator, 4 square root of 41 over 41. Now, tangent is already given, so hindi na. Next is cosecant theta, kabaliktaran lang nito. So that is negative square root of 41 over 5. And then secant theta, kabaliktaran lang nito, square root of 41 over 4. And lastly is tangent, cotangent theta. Cotangent theta is the reciprocal of tangent. This is negative 4 over 5. Okay? Now, check natin. Sa fourth quadrant, ang positive lang dyan ay cosine and secant. Cosines, okay, sala. Cosine and secant both positive. The rest of the functions ay negative. Check natin. Sine is negative, cosecant is negative, tangent is negative, cotangent is negative. So, tama. So, we got the correct answer for example number 2, letter A. Okay? For letter B, okay, sa letter B, ito yung ating constraints natin or conditions. Si cosecant theta is equal to 4 and cotangent theta is less than 0. So, pag sinabi natin cosecant theta is positive, it's either siya ay nasa first quadrant or siya ay nasa second quadrant. Okay? Kasi ang ratio ng cosecant is r over y. So, ang responsible lang para siya maging positive ay yung vertical distance. Yun yung y. So, ibig sabihin, positive dapat ang y value niya. At positive ang y value sa first and second quadrant. So, ito ay nasa first or second quadrant. Si cotangent ay less than 0. Ibig sabihin, negative. Kung negative siya, ibig sabihin yan, it's either siya ay nasa second quadrant or fourth quadrant. Kasi doon sa quadrants na yon, negative siya. So, magtutrue lamang itong dalawang conditions na to kapag nasa second quadrant yung ating angle, theta. Okay? So, therefore, nasa second quadrant siya. Kailangan memorize ninyo yung mga signs of the six trigonometric functions natin para makaswag-solve kayo ng ganitong problem. Okay? So, 4. Okay, so ito yung ating theta. Ang cosecant theta is 4 over 1. Okay? So, yan ay r over y. Okay? Sa makatuwid, for ang ating r, ang y natin ay 1. So, ito yung y equals 1. Ang kukunin natin yung kanyang horizontal distance. Okay? Ang r natin ay 4. So, solving x. Paano natin masosolve sa x? E di, originally, ang formula natin, r equals square root of x squared plus y squared. We're going to rewrite this in terms of x. So, diretso ko na. Derive natin. Square natin both sides. The result is x squared. R squared equals x squared plus y squared. Transposing y squared, we have r squared minus x. R squared minus y squared equals x squared. It's getting the square root of both sides. Therefore, x equals square root of r squared minus x squared. Y squared. Yan, positive or minus yan. So, since nasa second quadrant siya, kukunin natin value of x is negative. Okay? So, solving x using this formula. Therefore, x equals square root of 4 squared minus y is 1, y squared. So, x equals square root of 16 minus 1 square root of 15. So, negative ang gagamitin natin kasi nasa second quadrant. Kunin natin yung 6 trigonometric functions starting with sine theta. Anong sine? Opposite over hypotenuse. So, 1, kabaliktaran lang nito, 1/4. Cosine theta is adjacent over hypotenuse or x over r or negative square root of 15 over 4. Tangent. Ang tangent is opposite over adjacent. So, 1 over x or 1 over square root of negative 15. Rationalizing the denominator, negative square root of 15 over 15. And then, secant theta, kabaliktaran lang nito. So, that is 4 over negative square root of 15. Or rationalizing the denominator, we have negative square root of 15 over, sorry, 4, negative 4 square root of 15 over 15. Okay, cotangent theta, kabaliktaran lang nito. So, this is negative square root of 15. Okay, check natin. Cotangent, kabaliktaran lang ni tangent. 1 over, okay, tama. So, check natin yung mga signs niya. Since siya ay nasa second quadrant, sine and cosecant lang ang positive. Sine and cosecant, both positive. The rest of the functions dapat negative. Negative, 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 and negative. So, tama. So, that is how to determine the 6 trigonometric functions of angle theta given yung conditions or constraints natin. Okay? So, thank you.